Hi guys and welcome back. It's been really long since I made my last video. As for today, we are going to know about the different diseases related to the vegetable crop plants. By the way, I wasn't able to make any videos in my past month because I was really busy with my exams as well as other stuffs. But now I'm finally free, so I'm going to make my videos.
Be strong.
Now let's begin with them one by one. So the first disease that we're going to know is the anthracnose. Crop plants affected by this kind of disease are beans, radish and chili. The symptoms of this kind of disease are that the dark brown cankers can be seen throughout the plant. And to control this, spray COC, that is copper oxychloride, at 1 gram per liter at 10 days interval. The next kind of disease is black rot. Crops affected by this kind of disease are cabbage, cauliflower, radish as well as turnip. The symptoms of this kind of diseases are the chlorolysis of leaves, vascular blackening as well as soft rot of the head. To control this kind of disease, use resistant varieties and you can also do the crop rotation. The next kind of disease is blight, and the crops affected by this kind of disease are brinjal as well as beans. In this kind of disease, the symptoms can be seen as the leaves get discolored, and to stop this or to control this, use resistant variety seeds. The next kind of disease is the damping off. Brinjals, tomato, cabbage as well as chili are the crops that will get affected by this kind of disease. The symptoms of this disease are that the seedling will get affected and they will become pale green and finally they will collapse. To control this, the soil should be drenched in borax mixture as well as the seed treatment can be done with copper oxychloride at 1 gram per kg of seed. The next kind of disease is downy mildew. Cabbage, cucurbits as well as pea are the crops that will get affected by this kind of disease. The symptoms of this disease are that the grey tingle space masses, dark blotches as well as purplish brown spots can be seen. To control this, spray COC or use resistant varieties. The next kind of disease is foot rot. Drumsticks, chili, cucurbits as well as tomato are the crops that will get affected by this kind of disease. Symptoms of this disease are necrotic spots can be seen on the stems as well as the root will get rotten. To control this, soil should be drenched in COC, copper oxychloride, at 4 gram per liter of water as well as seed treatment can also be done. The next kind of disease is leaf spot, also known as leaf blotch. Beetroot, tapioca, carrot, chili as well as brinjal are the crop plants that will get affected by this kind of disease. The symptoms of this disease are circular yellow spots can be seen which later turn to grey. To control this, spray borax mixture over the plant at 1%. The next kind of disease is the little leaf. This generally happens to the brinjal plant. The symptoms of this disease is that the leaf will get extremely reduced. The size of the leaf will be extremely reduced, and to control this kind of disease, we need to destroy the affected plant. Next disease is the Mosaic. Crops affected by this disease are beans, cucurbit, tomato as well as okra. The symptoms of this disease are discoloration along the veins of the plant, and to control this, use resistant variety seeds or virus free seeds. Next kind of disease is the powdery mildew, and the crops affected by this disease are cucurbit, beans, okra and peas. The symptoms of this disease are white powdery spots can be seen on both sides of the leaves. And to control this, spray carbendazim at 1 gram per liter or tefacort at 2.5 ml per liter. The next kind of disease is the root knot. Brinjal, chili, okra, radish and tomato are the crop plants that will get affected by this kind of disease. The symptoms of this disease are the plant will have stunned growth, it will also be sick, as well as galls will form on the root of the plant. And to control this kind of disease, carbofuran is sprayed at 1% over the soil. Next kind of disease is the rust. Beans, pea as well as radish are the crop plants that will get affected by this kind of disease. The symptoms of this disease are brown rust pustules can be seen on the lower side of the leaves. And to control this, spray carbendazim at weekly intervals. Next kind of disease is smut. This generally happens in the onion plant. The symptoms of this disease are lesions will appear on the plant as blisters and they will severely affect the plant and they can also die. To control this kind of disease, seed treatment is done with arsen or tersen. The last kind of disease is the wilt. Crops affected by this kind of disease are brinjal, cucurbits, peas and tomato. Symptoms of this disease are the complete wilting of the plant, chlorolysis can also be seen, as well as the leaves from the plant will also drop. To control this kind of disease, resistant varieties of seeds are used, as well as soil can also be drenched in Captain at 1 gram per liter of water. Finally, my video has come to an end and I hope you liked it. If you like my video and find this video helpful, then please click the like button and share this video. As for my next video, it is going to be on the fruit crops, the diseases related to the fruit crops. So till the next time we meet, bye bye and have a nice day.